Noah. Okay, so where were we? Oh, yeah, that's your cracked screen on your phone, and I just see it. The mom will go to the store, fix your phone, until you put us all on YouTube again. But Noah, I just told you and Simba what a beautiful performance you two just did when I saw Lion King on Broadway. Well, they did a pretty good job. Yeah, and they got a new child actress to do Nola. Yeah, but when she gets older, she retires, become an adult. Well, I was an adult because I found Simba, Timon, Pumbaa, and other stuff because I'm not wearing a shirt. I'm a Disney princess. Well, I'm Nola because I really am a Disney princess. And you just cracked your phone because, watch porn at your own time on your phone. I don't even care if you watch porn. But there's only let me see, how many days until Christmas? Only like 17 to 18 days left until Christmas because it's December 7th. I think I just know Santa Claus is gonna get your Bambi plush doll, your Foxman Mickey Mouse puppets, and the Polar Express Nintendo Cube. Nala, I have a Nintendo Cube out in there because my old systems still work. Of course they still work. They don't age. Well, except when you get a new TV and keep your old systems. That will be great. I mean, you can still be Lion King, Pinocchio, Peter Pan. Yeah, I think you're gonna get prototypes on the Atari 2600. But Devil's Flying Circus is still doable, and Snow White is still doable. Because old systems still work. I mean, I'm Nala from The Lion King. I see you have a cracked screen on your phone, but you have to just go with the flow, get the thing, go with it, because you're gonna be freezing outside, and Thursday it's gonna snow. Snow? Snow. But I already saw Lion King on Broadway, Nola. I can't believe they got a new child actress to do you. Well, of course they did. But where's Dumbo? Oh, you just put Dumbo in all your videos. But he's from the Dumbo franchise that you just made. You made the Dumbo franchise happen on YouTube. Well, one of Disney's most famous franchises. I'm not wearing a shirt because of this. Why do I have to wear a dress, some underwear, no shirt, no shoes, no service? Like, not wearing a tank top is just not that hard. I'm just a girl. I'm Nola from The Lion King. But Nola, you're not wearing a shirt because of this. Well, that's why they call me Nola. I'm Simba's girlfriend. I'm a Disney princess. And I told Scar I will not become his queen. Well, as an adult, you hear Zazu singing Let It Go. But you're thinking of Frozen, Nola. I don't mean that. I mean, I told Scar I will not become his queen. And he said, "You'll force me to become your queen." And then I said, "No, Scar, I will not become your queen." Well, as a cub. That's right. Yeah, I said it. I already said it. I already said that. I said to Scar, Scar, I will not become your queen ever. Yeah, that's what I said to him. I will not become your queen. That's what I should have said. But he knows what he's doing. But Nala, but you're just a lioness and Simba's a lion. But 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 Simba's girlfriend. Why did Scar wanted to kill my friend Simba for it? But that was a complete failure. I just don't want Simba to leave me here alone. Because I escaped from the Pride Lands and keep on looking for Simba, and I found Simba because he's still alive, and I don't want Scar to kill him because I don't want him to let him become his queen because I'm Nala. Come on, Nala. What would your father say? No, my father is like Simba, but different. I mean, he has a pointy hair and uh he's yellow like Simba, but he's different. I know my father would have looked like. But Nala, Scar will not let you become his queen. But I told him I will not become his queen. Which I should have said that because I'm not wearing a shirt because I'm Nala. But Dumbo, why would Scar want Nala to become his queen? You don't know that. Scar is a complete failure because he wanted to kill Simba and let her become his queen. And Nala just said it. And she said, I will not become your queen, Scar. That's what I said, Dumbo. Because I can't eat you because you're too big. Well, I'm a stuffed animal, Nala. I have stitches around my neck, Nala. It's 2021, Nala. It's the year because he got a green wristband. But Dumbo! Dumbo! Dumbo. It's 2021, Dumbo. I know, Nala. I'm just a circus elephant, and you are just from the Pride Lands because you should have been a Disney princess like Snow White, Alice, Mulan, Sleeping Beauty, Moana, Merida, Pocahontas. Pocahontas is dead, Dumbo. In real life, she is. Can you think of other Disney princesses besides me, Dumbo? Ariel from The Little Mermaid, Jasmine from Aladdin. Wait, is that it? But why didn't they include me as a Disney princess, Dumbo? Because, Nala, you're the first animal Disney princess that ever was. I mean, should you join Snow White, Sleeping Beauty, Moana, Elsa, Anna, Merida, Moana, Pocahontas, Snow White, Cinderella, Ariel? Why would they include you as a Disney princess? You forgot Alice Kingsley, Dumbo. She's a Tim Burton character like you. I mean, she's Alice. But no, seriously, I'm Dumbo. I'm Dumbo. I'm Dumbo. I'm Dumbo, Nala. My real name is Jumbo Jr. Nala. That's what they call me. I'm not real. I'm not real either, Dumbo. We're fictional characters, Dumbo, because it's 2021 and we're stuffed animals. You know, Nala? That's it. I'm creeping you out. Hey! You're creepy! You're creepy like Benson! Or Gabby! Or other terrifying dolls. I mean, Gabby from Toy Story 4, Lotso from Toy Story 3, and Stinky Pete from Toy Story 2. I don't like Stinky Pete, Nala. Stinky Pete is my worst enemy now, like Emperor Zurg. I don't care about Buzz Lightyear, Woody, Mr. and Mrs. Potato, Slinky Dog. Hey, you're getting too much Toy Story characters, Dumbo. Don't include Jessie, Bullseye, or any other characters. Don't tell the story about the human versions of Buzz Lightyear or Emperor Zurg. Nala, Simba will say you always become Simba's queen. But Simba always loves you. He just wants to rub your belly and put your put his hand on your chest. But I'm not wearing a shirt, Dumbo. My chest isn't made for that. I don't care about myself, Dumbo. Is that me? I'm just a lioness. And you are a big circus elephant. You grow so big, I can't even eat you. No, Nala. It's not that. I have stitches around my neck, Nala. I grew so big, so heavy, people can't lift me because I'm Dumbo. I'm terrifying than Pinocchio, Nala, but Disney's remake version of Pinocchio doesn't come until late fall 2022. But Black Panther doesn't come until November 2022, Dumbo. But 2022 is a ways away, Nala. Don't talk about Blue from Blue's Clues, Nala. She's a light blue dog and she's from Nickelodeon. But I'm a Disney character, Nala. Please, Nala. Don't even call me terrifying, creepy, or just go with the flow. Benson's creepy. The Gnome King looks terrifying. I'm terrifying. Pinocchio's terrifying. But, 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 you know, Gabby is from Toy Story 4 because Toy Story will always be for kids, Dumbo. I bet that fifth Toy Story movie is going to be called Lightyear, which is going to be the fifth Toy Story movie in the Toy Story franchise. That should have been Toy Story 5, Dumbo. But Toy Story 5 will always be for kids, Nala. I mean, don't make R-rated versions of me, Toy Story. I don't even care about myself, Nala. But, Dumbo, why would they make R-rated versions of Dumbo or Toy Story? Well, try this, Nala. If Simba is killed, why will you take over the Pride Lands as you becoming queen and having kids of your own? But I already had kids, Dumbo. Kiara, Kion, and Copa are my kids. But Nala, I won't get Simba killed a ton. You promise me, girl, you'll always be with him in the middle of your chest. But my heart! I'm just a stuffed animal, Dumbo. I'm from Walmart and Simba is always from him for Christmas. But Nola, please, 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 Nola. Be gentle with yourself. It's okay, Nola. Dumbo, you're creeping me out. You're creeping me out, Dumbo. You're terrifying than Pinocchio. Don't give me that look, Nola. You'll be fine. Oh, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. That is so weird, Dumbo. I'll leave you alone. Now you have to get that phone fixed, mister. Your video's too long on your phone. I'm Nala from The Lion King.